just a small narration of how to properly utilize the bucket. We have our operations manager on the machine. We've been running this machine for about 20 years every day, so a handful of people can run it this efficiently. But as you can see, anybody who doesn't use the tip of the blade backwards to begin your grade and to start correcting your grade, you're not doing anything. If you just slam your bucket down and start moving grade, you're not doing anything. Being able to correct while you cut is most of everything in grading. I know he makes it look easy, y'all, but this was one day's worth of work. We built a pad to hold 4 Conex boxes for a client. Made an asphalt milling pad, then created a road for him to be able to access it through that gate. And through that gate, ended up grading a little bit of his yard just to make sure he didn't get any big puddles anywhere and everything just kind of ran off. But this is today's job. Took about 10 hours. I'd say it cost the client about $5,000, $6,000 when you include material. But regrade of an entire backyard, plus roads, plus pad for Conex boxes, plus we ended up moving the Conex boxes for him. That's why we had to supplement for 2 machines, but easy breezy.